I'ma see you again. But is that a good thing? 'Cause girl, I can't be your man. No man, I know what's on your brain.
We've had some dramas with this exhaust after fitting the manifold. As you know, after Germany, the manifold snapped, the Relentless Pro that we had on there. So Badger 5 instructed us to fit a Manifold. That was fitted, the exhaust was moved over, which is causing the flexi to rub against the proc shaft. Proc shaft is now, you can see evidently it's got some scoring damage. Yeah, welcome down to South London Garage. Proper garage, back end garage, you know what I mean, mate? But we're gonna get the downpipe sorted today, and then hopefully that will resolve the issue. Flexi is rubbing on the proc shaft and it's obviously not gonna be drivable for much longer. We've had to drive it straight from CRS Autos to here. I'll let you guys know when this car is finished and off the ramp. But for now, I'll see you guys when this is done. Here she is. How was it, mate?
All good.
Yeah?
All good.
Okay. Yes, please. The TT needed to get a custom downpipe built, as the previous downpipe, after fitting the manifold, moved the exhaust over, which was allowing the flexi to rub against the proc shaft. So I'm gonna go underneath now. The guys are getting the car in the air. I'm gonna show you exactly what they've done. Hopefully it looks good. Well, hopefully it works anyway, because the issue that we had before, the vehicle was actually non-running. We managed to get it here, but it did cause a bit of damage to the proc shaft. I don't think it will be damaged enough to be replaced. No? No. Good. Because this car is just money after money after money. But now the car's in the air. Let me show you what's been done so far. Right. Let's have a look then. Okay, so from what you can see here, this is the damage that the flexi was causing the proc shaft. It's actually scored it down quite a bit with a short distance. We didn't actually drive that far, and that's how much damage it caused to it. This looks good. So it's come all the way down, as you can see, custom fabricated, welded. The welds look good. I'm impressed, I'm happy. This is the old downpipe. This was, the boys cut this out to sort of make a bit of space.
That was to clear the dana.
To clear.
Actually drive it.
Okay, so without this you wouldn't have been able to drive it. And then this is what the proc shaft done to the flexi. So you can see it was near enough out of use if this wasn't replaced. So yeah, I'm happy. It looks good. I might actually get the boys to replace the rest of this 3-inch, because after Harrison measured the 3-inch, well, it's supposed to be a 3-inch, it turns into a 2.75. So the boys down at South London Garage, what's your name, my man?
Steve.
Steve, how much do you think it would set us back? Or what do you think, as you just stated to me, what would you do?
What I'd suggest is doing a 3-inch mandrel system.
Okay.
100% flow. If you're pushing big power, the quicker you get the air in, the quicker you need to get it out.
Correct.
So a 3-inch mandrel system would suit this vehicle down to the ground. With the mandrel system, you don't get crush zones. So you could literally get a tennis ball, drop it in one end, and it'll roll all the way through and drop out the other end. So that's where you're going to get the maximum performance out of it. Cost-wise, being out a mandrel system, you're looking at probably about a day and a half labour, including materials, but I can probably get it done for about $8.50 for you.
Yeah.
And it'll be perfect.
So guys, yeah, we need you to subscribe to the channel, because this car actually cost me so much money. But I think that option, I will go for it, because we are trying to hit the 500 brake horsepower mark. And if that's the case, we don't need, like you witnessed in the last video at Badger 5, it was restricting the flow. Hence the reason why we've gone for the ported manifold, Manifold. And I think I will actually go for this exhaust system being replaced also. It was a custom fabricated exhaust, but it isn't a 3-inch all the way through. So it's causing restrictions, and it's causing the car to basically deck under a lot of power when it's going to get mapped. I'm gonna take the car back to CRS Auto. Catch you guys in a little while when I take this car home. has been collected. It's actually behind me. Harrison at CRS is driving it back for me. But yeah, I really want to start tracking this car. Actually, do you know what it is? I'm gassed, yeah. I'm excited. My pocket's hurting. Like, don't get me wrong, everyone has sorted me out and people have helped me out along the way. So I've got to be grateful for the people I have around me. But I'm definitely just annoyed at the fact that I've spent money previously getting this car set up, ready to go, but didn't get the result that I needed, and then not only the manifold that I had on there before snapped, the new manifold that I just put on there has caused the downpipe to rub on the proc shaft, which had to be replaced. I'm not gonna waffle too much, I just wanted to have like a little one-to-one conversation with everyone. I have to spend a bit of money to get the content, to get the car to a level where I can actually track it, and that content for me will be just a dream. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a second when I get there. Peace. There she is! Go over. Look, this is the life we live with this flipping car, mate. I said to him, when we get to the flyover, make sure you send it, yeah? What do? Break it. Get to the flyover. Oh, make sure you send it, please, mate. Make sure you send it. Ow. As he went to send it, same problem that we've been having for a long time, mate. One. Oh no, it's that one! No, that's what happened when I first mapped it. Is it? Uh-oh. It's normally this one that comes off. Where is it? This thing.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that keeps coming off. But now, that's come off. I mean, Jubilee's gone as well. Make sure you send it. I want to get a nice little flyby for the boys. We're going to try and look for the Jubilee clip on the flyover because it's blown off. So, yeah. Wish me luck. This is why I keep saying to you about this content. It's like, it always costs you money. Like, now my car is on the side of the road and it's raining as well. I'm just going to drive it without putting any boost at all. Look at this lovely road for him to pull off in, but he can't. So he's gonna have to drive it, but no boost, basically. Trickle it home. God help us. Ugh. That was eventful. It's raining now, so I'm not gonna stay out in the rain too long. I will pop back down here tomorrow and have a bit more of a chat about this car. Like, for today, I've had enough of it. He was supposed to send it on the dual carriageway, and literally, as soon as he come next to me, I just heard the same familiar sound that's been reoccurring where the boost pipe comes off. And yes, I have got boost clamps, so don't attack me in the comment section. I have went and got stronger clamps before, but I think it's just not meant to be this time. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video, or it'll be the same video but just a continuation from here. So bye for now. Continuation from yesterday. Asked Harrison to send it on a flyover. The boost pipe came off. From yesterday till today, I have now fitted my Mark II steering wheel thanks to Whipworks. Shout out to Whipworks who provided me with the steering wheel cover. I'm going to show you guys now. Have a look. There she is. The Mark I has now got the Mark II. Oi oi. So there she is. So for those who don't know, this ugly thing here was what was on there before. Very dated, very old school. Now look at her. LA carbon fiber every single time. My key holder, love that. So yeah, we've got the rear seat delete fitted. Can't see it that much because I've obviously got new wheels in there. This front splitter will be going on today. Oh dear, it's already been scratched. It's not a good look, is it? Come on boys, scratched up the ting. Anyway, front splitter will be going on today. And then the wheels, I think I'm just going to get them out of the boot for the minute so I can actually have a good look at the rear seat delete. But yeah, Cloud9 Customs, thank you guys very much. What do you guys think? Old wheels, new wheels? Let me know, comment below. Gonna then head over to Badger 5 and get the car map tweaked. Hopefully they will do me a map tweak and not a full remap. And then yeah, track days are booked this year, and that's where the content's gonna be. The turbo was loose, the gaskets were loose or broken, and yeah, we just had loads of problems with this car. Like, it's absolutely a pain in the rear end. The manifold is fitted, we've got the steering wheel done, rear seat delete done. We're gonna put the front splitter on, and I need some seats. I'm gonna go for some bucket seats, and that will be it for the minute. I'm just gonna enjoy this car this year. I will be changing the brakes. I'm just running on, I've got 4-pot Brembos, but I've got Brembo disc and pads and they're no good. So we're gonna change the disc and pads, and then track this car and put it to its full potential. I am aiming for about 350 when we go to Badger 5, so stay tuned, and hopefully 350 is what we will get. If not, I'll put it in the bin or have it up for sale. So yeah, if it doesn't get 350, mark my words, it's up for sale, basically. I'm not spending any more money on this car because it's literally driving me insane. Hopefully that won't happen again, as we've got a proper clamp installed now. So we decided that this cheap bit of plastic on the front of the TT isn't going to do it any justice. It's not going to create any downforce, and it's going to look absolutely rubbish. So we're going to scrap the idea for the front splitter because it doesn't look good. It was like a universal one I bought off eBay. I found that in a forum. So yeah, we're going to leave the front splitter off. We're going to leave the TT as it is. If it doesn't hit 350, hit me up in a DM on Instagram because it's for sale, yeah, so I ain't having it. 350 or it's going in the bin. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment below. JammyGoLucky signing out. Peace.
No album made, so my mind is kinda up down. Still been shaking, yeah, my mama is